What if I enter the wrong bank account info on IRS? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about what happens if you enter the wrong bank account info on IRS. If you have mistakenly entered the wrong bank account information with the IRS, there is no need to panic. You have option to rectify the error, and here's what you can do. First of all, reach out to the IRS. Once you become aware of the mistake, get in touch with the IRS. You can either give them a call or utilize their online tools to update your bank details. If you're anticipating a stimulus payment or a tax refund, make sure to use the Get My Payment tool on the IRS website to check if you can update your banking information online. In the event that your payment was for a tax return and the bank account information is inaccurate, the IRS will make an attempt to deposit the refund into your provided account. If the account is closed or the information is incorrect, the bank will reject the deposit. Subsequently, the IRS will issue a paper check and send it to your address you provided on your tax return. If you're expecting future payments from the IRS, such as your tax refunds or stimulus checks, it's crucial to ensure that your bank account information is accurate in order to avoid any delays or complications. Remember, it's of utmost importance to act promptly in correcting any errors to prevent any delays in receiving your payments. And if you have entered the wrong bank account information with the IRS, don't worry, you can take the steps to correct it. And here's what you can do. First of all, contact the IRS as soon as possible. Reach out to the IRS and you can call them or use their online tools to update your banking information, as I already mentioned in the beginning of the video. If you're expecting future payments from the IRS, such as tax refunds or stimulus checks, it's crucial to ensure that your bank account information is accurate in order to avoid any delays or complications. Then after, wait for your rejection. If your tax payment was for a tax refund and the bank account information is incorrect, the IRS will attempt to deposit the refund into your account provided. If the account is closed or the information is inaccurate, the bank will reject the deposit, and the IRS will then issue a paper check and send it to the address you have provided on your tax return. You can ensure your bank account information is correct to avoid delays or issues. Remember that it's essential to act quickly to correct any mistakes to avoid delays in receiving your payments. So this is basically on what happens if you enter the wrong bank account info on IRS for the tax year 2024. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.